In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Cadillac Escalade. This is going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the rear center cap. I'm just going to use a rag and a straight blade screwdriver. The rag is just to protect the wheel from scratching. And there's a little cutout where the valve stem area is. Just get behind there. Pop that off. Using a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Grab the wheel, take it off. Using a 19mm wrench, I'm going to put this on the back side of the stud. And an 18mm socket, take this nut off. I'm just going to use a little rust penetrant. Take that out and pull the link out of the sway bar. That's good right there. You can do the same on the other side. Using an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket, you can loosen up the nut and bolt here. Pull that out. Pull the bolt out. And the link comes right out. Take the new link, slide it in position. You can put the stud through the bar and get the bolt in. Get the nut started. Snug this down. And get the lower nut on. Using a 18mm wrench on the stud. Snug that one down. Now we're going to torque this nut to 48 foot-pounds. Then you're going to go an additional 40 degrees. That's good. We're going to do the same on the top bolt. 48 foot-pounds and 40 degrees. And you could do the same on the other side. Now put the wheel up. Down lined up. Put the lug nuts on. Centered. Snug these down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Take the center cap. There's a little picture of a valve stem. You want to line that up with the valve stem. It's where the cutaway is. Tap it back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.